Happy Saturday. Happy YouTober. Happy, it's somebody's birthday today. So there's that. If you saw yesterday's video, you'll be pleased to know that my eyebrows are still very much intact. We had a few casualties, but they were lollygaggers anyway. So today I'm gonna do something much easier, and I'm just gonna show you what's in my bag. I got a new bag for fall. I got it from Target because I'm, you know, basic. This bag was, I think, $35. It is a convertible crossbody backpack situation. I originally bought it because I wanted it to be a backpack, but as a backpack, whenever it falls, it just has a little D-ring and it slides upside down on the D-ring, and there's no zipper to hold everything in. It just magnetizes, so it's not very secure. So every time I took it off, everything fell out. So not ideal. But I just want to show you everything I have in here. There's no outside pockets, so that's easy. First thing on top is my wallet. This is from Kate Spade. It's really old, like maybe 4 years old. And inside I have my car key. I have a little bit of cash, a little bit of change, and then I have my card case. This is from Forever 21. It's holographic. It's nice. But yeah, I have that in such a way so that if I need to just like run in to like a store, I can just grab this and it's got everything I need, or I can take one or the other, or one or both, I suppose. So yeah. Up next I have my sunglasses and my sunglass case. These are Key and Desi Perkins high keys in the rose gold color. I believe these are the minis. I got kind of a small face. I love these glasses. I try to just keep them in my car. I don't know why. I think I had them on my head and I went inside somewhere. But I try to just keep these in my car for a couple of reasons. A, they're the most expensive sunglasses I've ever bought, which says a lot because I don't buy anything expensive really. But these are kind of aviator style, so if I wear them on top of my head, I always have the fun bun, but this will like grab in the hair and tangle up and it's just a mess. So I prefer to just keep these in the car. They're great for that. I love wearing them. I feel super cool, even though I'm very much not cool. And then this case is from Target. Up next I have a little notebook for improv. So whenever I'm at improv rehearsal, I want to jot down a note. There we go. Or like we have a mentor situation, so I can give this to my mentor when I'm performing and he can just write me notes. I have this little container, and this is like my mom bag. My battery's dying. Okay, so in this bag I have all of my like emergency supplies, so I'll just go through all of it. I have a couple tampons because I'm a female. Got some band-aids, my inhaler, crucial. This should probably be thrown away, but it's a vapor inhaler because I used to get sick like every week. Got a couple panty liners, more band-aids, emergency. This is like a vitamin C supplement, if you don't know, which I'm sure everybody does. This is Natural Calm. It's a magnesium supplement. Isabella doesn't like that I'm doing all this. It's a magnesium supplement to just help, like, I have anxiety, as you guys know. So like if I'm out and about and I feel like I'm starting to have a panic attack, I'll take this in some water, and I don't know if it really helps. This is also really good for muscle soreness, I think, and I use it for like restless leg syndrome. So there's that. More emergency. This is Alka-Seltzer in case I get a cold, because I used to get sick all the time. Dayquil, lens wipes for my phone or sunglasses or whatever. Cough drops. I'm not going to take those out. Eye drops, Pepto, a hair tie, a flosser, and then some medicine. I think we have Advil, Claritin, and Benadryl. And then it's in this cute little Hello Kitty tin. You can't see that, but take my word for it. Okay, and then I have the rest of my keys. So I keep my car keys in my wallet, but then this is like keys to our mailbox, our garage door opener, even though my car has one as well. I have a CPR face shield. I'm not CPR certified anymore, but I still know how to do it, so that's good. I have my gym membership, you know, keys to my mom's house. This is from Aldi. It's a little watermelon keychain, and then it has a quarter in there so that you always have a quarter for their baskets. I have a little tiny makeup pouch. This is from Becca. It's their powder foundation. They used to come in like much bigger pans. Like the compacts were much bigger. They were comparable to like the MAC compact, but these are like tiny. Actually, they used to be the exact same size as their highlighters, and I feel like their highlighters should be this size and their powder foundation should be that size. But it's one of my favorite powders, honestly. And the first time I bought it, it came with this little pouch for no reason really. And then I just have this contour Buki from Too Faced. It came with one of my contour palettes. I use that for my brush for that. And then I also have a little mini YSL lipstick. This is Rouge Volupte in, ooh, that is tiny. I have no idea. It was a point perk from Sephora. I actually wore that on my wedding day. And I love it. I really want the full size, but I don't think I can justify that. I have, oh, a note from my doctor. I already knew that, but still. This is a deodorant. I live in Texas, it gets hot, but more importantly, if I'm wearing a dress, this helps with the chub rub. That's the #1 reason, I'm just telling you right now. Chub rub. Okay, I have my sunglasses that I like to keep in my purse. These are from Target. They are beat all to hell, but they're cute. So those actually go in there. I have a wine key because alcoholic, no, it's because I'm a server. So this is supposed to go in my apron for work, but my husband took it out of there. I have a portable charger, almost all the way full. Good job, me. I've been really bad about charging my phone at night lately. I don't know what's going on with me. So those are both in the like little pockets right here, and then in the zipper pocket, I have a hand cream. This is from Target. It was a Target Disney collab. It is green tea aloe mint. It smells all right. I just like that it has Mickey on it. And then I have a Baby Ganix Pure Mineral Sunscreen Stick. I have this for a couple reasons. A, I'm pale AF and I sunburn really easily. So if I'm out and about and I'm outside for longer than I thought I would need, I use this bad boy. And then also because I do have a tattoo that is relatively visible. I really don't want this guy to fade. Spent good money on him. Or her. I don't know why my tattoo would be a male. But I like to keep sunscreen available for it so that it doesn't fade. Tattoos are a responsibility, y'all. Everybody thinks they're just cool and fun, but no, they're like legit a responsibility. They take a little bit of work. I have a very melted hand sanitizer. This is Black Cherry Merlot from Bath & Body Works. My old principal gave that to me. This is kind of cool. I don't know where my phone is, where I would show you, but it's a fan that you plug into your phone and then it, you know, I like that. I don't know why I necessarily need it in my purse, but it was really handy at Disney World. I took it to a baseball game once. You just never know. Okay, and then last two things, I have a lip balm from Bite Beauty. This is the Agave Lip Mask in, it's one of the colored ones. Champagne maybe? Rose? It smells all right. I hate the packaging, but it is what it is. And then I have a cuticle oil that I made myself. If you want to see a video on that, let me know. But it's basically vitamin E and jojoba oil, and you buy these little brush things on Amazon, and you fill them up, and super cheap, and it's the best cuticle oil I've ever used in my life, and I need to use it more often, hence why it's in my purse. I have these all over the house though. So let me just put that on because my hands are dry from taking off all of that makeup. Okay, so that's what's in my bag. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you're just as nosy as I am and you like seeing that kind of stuff. If you want to see more stuff like this, give it a thumbs up so that I know, and go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Follow me on Instagram, it's at EmilyFunBun. I think that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow with an apartment tour. Ooh, fun. All right, bye guys.